Hello guys, welcome to my another video. Today's video contains top 5 kitchen dish drying rack that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. And subscribe now, please. So let's start the video.
Number 1. The Majalis Sink Dish Drying Rack is a practical and efficient solution for your kitchen needs. With product dimensions of 15.5 or 10.4. 5.9 inches and a weight of 3.04 pounds, this rack offers a compact yet spacious design to accommodate your dish drying requirements. Manufactured by Majalis, a trusted name in kitchen accessories, this dish drying rack is designed to enhance your kitchen organization and efficiency. The ASIN for this product is BIZO C53ERJ9. Having received an impressive rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from 584 customer reviews, it's evident that the Majalis Sink Dish Drying Rack is well received by users. Its popularity is further highlighted by its best sellers rank of number 19/62 in Kitchen Ulta's dining and number 235 in dish racks, showcasing its appeal to a wide range of customers. This product has been available since May 12, 2023, making it a relatively new yet highly rated addition to the market. If you are in search of a reliable and space-efficient dish drying solution.
Number 2. The dish rack, made of 304 stainless steel, is a reliable and efficient solution for drying dishes in any kitchen. This product boasts dimensions of 17.24, 12.99, 5.71 inches, and a manageable weight of 4.42 pounds, making it versatile for various kitchen setups. With a favorable rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from 65 customers, it is evident that the dish rack meets the needs and expectations of users effectively. Additionally, its ranking as number 15,393 in Kitchen Ulta's dining and number 203 in dish racks emphasizes its popularity and demand among consumers. The sturdy construction of 304 stainless steel ensures durability and long-term use, making it a practical investment for any household. The sleek design and ample space for drying make it not only functional but also visually appealing in any kitchen setting. Overall, the dish rack, with an initial availability date of February 21, 2024, proves to be a quality product that combines functionality, durability, and style to enhance.
Number 3. The Tomorotech Small Triangle Roll-Up Dish. Drying rack is a versatile and innovative kitchen accessory designed to streamline your dish drying process. Crafted from high-quality silicone, this drying rack boasts dimensions of 16 inches in diameter, 6.3 inches in width, and a slim 0.4-inch height, making it a space-efficient solution for any kitchen. As part of the reputable Tomorotech brand, this product comes in a sleek black color that effortlessly complements any kitchen decor. The recommended uses for this dish drying rack extend beyond just drying dishes. It is also suitable for various kitchen tasks and offers multi-purpose functionality, including storage. One of the standout features of the Tomorotech dish drying rack is its foldable design, adding an element of flexibility to its usage. The countertop mounting type ensures stability during use, providing a safe and convenient space for your dishes to air dry. Weighing a mere 0.64 pounds, this dish drying rack is
Number 4. The Godboat Dish Drying Rack is a versatile and practical solution for your kitchen organization needs. Made of durable metal, this dish rack is designed to last and withstand everyday use. With product dimensions of 12.99, DD 16.93, Bulbawi 5.91H, it offers ample space for drying dishes and utensils. The one-tier design in a sleek color makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Whether you need a dish drainer, utensil holder, or simply a storage solution, this product fits the bill perfectly. It can be conveniently mounted on the kitchen counter or sink, providing easy access to your kitchen essentials. Despite its light weight of 2.54 pounds, the Godboat Dish Drying Rack has an impressive weight limit of 60 pounds, ensuring it can hold multiple dishes and utensils with ease. The portable feature adds to its convenience, allowing you to move it around as needed. Manufactured by Godboat, a reputable brand known for quality products, this dish drying rack has garnered positive. Number 5. The GS Life Sink Dish. Drying rack is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Made of durable stainless steel, this dish rack is built to last and offers a sleek silver design that complements any kitchen decor. The product dimensions of 10.8 dx12wx57H provide ample space for drying dishware and silverware effectively. One of the standout features of the GS Life Sink Dish Drying Rack is its space-saving design. The rack is also expandable, allowing you to adjust it to fit your countertop space perfectly. The removable cutlery basket is another convenient feature that adds to the functionality of this product. Furthermore, the GS Life Sink Dish Drying Rack is rust-resistant, ensuring its longevity and maintaining its stylish appearance over time. With a weight